The Dutch stitch is a really cool filler stitch I'm going to teach you today. I'm going to use a lightweight yarn and my size 18 chenille needle. So I've got 3 rows here that I'm going to fill in with the Dutch stitch. So I'm making a vertical stitch from bottom to top. Now I'm going to make a diagonal stitch across the first stitch I made. Then I'll bring my needle up and make a diagonal stitch. And there's your little Dutch stitch. There's plenty of room to practice here, so I will show you once again. And if you have the sampler, you can practice at home. It's really simple. It actually reminds me a lot of the way cross stitch looks, so this is a fun way to do that with embroidery. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Please hit like and subscribe if you learned something new. Thank you.